So you can see this is from Robert M. They say they use the QQQ and PSQ. QQQ is the NASDAQ 100. PSQ is the short NASDAQ 100. And he uses the tool in his 401k to go long and short. And that is a powerful strategy. In addition, it can be used to hedge a position so you don't have to get out. So for example, if you're long Bitcoin, but you feel there could be a 1 month dip, you can use this tool to hedge your position and without actually selling your existing underlying position and exposing yourself to gains. In addition, you can play both ways. That's what I like to do. But sometimes with equities, I do it with options. For example, NVIDIA, we showed there, like a certain price, certain strikes. If you buy NVDS, it's a 1.25x short. So if you have 300 NVIDIA shares, you need to do about 3,000 or less, 2,500 or 2,200 NVDS, depending on exactly what your calculation is. And it can be used for ETFs and funds. Actually, I'm going to show you an ETF in a minute as well and how it works really well on any time frame.